Along with process control systems, MES systems are very much in demand today. These software packages and modules provide a digital factory concept and raise productivity to a new level. Solisoft offers an MES platform named MES Box, developed in response to the needs of the food industry. CIP Expert is a module for monitoring and optimizing of CIP processes. Using the CIP journal and automatically generated CIP report, CIP Expert aggregates all cleaning process data, determines the quality of cleanings, and calculates their efficiency. CIP Expert detects cleaning processes that have specification values deviations and triggers corrective actions. The module uses 5 whys technology to find the root error. IntRaw is a raw material receiving module. IntRaw integrates all systems providing acceptance process into the common information field: laboratory, PCS, and ERP. IntRaw performs the accounting of receiving raw materials volumes and provides the batch validation according to quality parameters. Non-quality batches are not allowed to be processed. IntRaw is a batch traceability initial step. Lab and Trace is a quality control module at all production steps. Lab and Trace monitors the quality parameters of mixtures, semi-finished, and finished products throughout production. Blocks bad batches for the following production steps and provides the traceability of materials through all processing steps. Checklists is a module for monitoring of process equipment status. Checklists module has a built-in equipment tree: plant, production floor, area, equipment unit, checkpoint. A separate checklist is created for each checkpoint. The system automatically creates and sends a task to the operator to make the equipment check at specified time periods. Within a specified time, the operator must complete the task and report about it by entering the information into the checklists. Using the Checklists module in conjunction with the CIP Expert module, you can implement microbiological control of equipment. Motor H is the module for efficient maintenance planning. Motor H automatically collects data about the operating hours and cycles of the process equipment and transfer them to the ERP. In cooperation with PCS Sephora, the Motor H module contributes to the concept of predictive maintenance. Sephora collects equipment faults and stoppage events, and Motor H sends this information to the high-level systems. There, the order of the preventative maintenance out of schedule is issued. Preventative approach is always more effective than repair. Energo is the module for energy management. This module collects consumptions of various types of energy resources from PCS or external energy accounting systems, matches them to the production phases, and shows the user a visually clear display of the current consumption, peaks, and downtimes in relation to the technological process. When consumption exceeds the specified values, the Energo module activates the incident management operation, just like in CIP Expert. Data analysis helps to optimize the energy consumption to avoid the unnecessary costs, as well as provide an efficiency assessment of equipment operation in terms of production phases. The Reports module. This is a common system for all modules to create any form of reports with the ability to browse them from any device and export to different formats. Altogether and separately, the MES modules by Solisoft solve the following tasks: paperless production, data transfer with ERP systems, for example SAP and 1C, reducing risks caused by human factors, seamless integration and automation of production processes, resource and time saving, increase of production efficiency in general. A strong argument in favor of implementing of the MES system by Solisoft is the standardization of our solutions. It is a great saving in the perspective. We build a common MES platform for different MES tasks. Each new module is based on already implemented master data, algorithms, and interfaces. When implementing a new MES solution for our range, there is no need to re-describe and configure, only assemble, connect, and link. All these modules are ready-to-use solutions and have been successfully implemented for food industry plants. Learn more about control systems and MES solutions powered by Solisoft.